Hello friends, we will discuss here mesothelioma law firm seeking justice for asbestos victims. Mesothelioma is a rare and aggressive form of cancer caused primarily by exposure to asbestos, a naturally occurring mineral once widely used in construction, manufacturing and various industries. Unfortunately, mesothelioma cases are often difficult to diagnose and treat, leaving victims and their families devastated by the consequences of asbestos exposure. To address the legal complexities surrounding asbestos-related disease, mesothelioma law firm play a crucial role in advocating for the rights of affected individuals and seeking justice against negligent companies responsible for exposing their clients to this hazardous material. Mesothelioma is a type of cancer that affects the lining of lungs, abdomen, or heart. The primary cause of mesothelioma is inhalation or ingestion of asbestos fibers, which lodge in the body tissues and lead to the development of cancerous cell over time. Unfortunately, symptoms may not manifest for several decades after the initial exposure, making diagnosis challenging and often at an advanced stage. The role of mesothelioma law firm. Mesothelioma law firm specialize in representing individuals and families affected by asbestos disease, particularly mesothelioma. These firms have a deep understanding of legal complexities surrounding asbestos litigation and strive to secure fair compensation for their client. Their main objective include: first point is advocating for victims. Mesothelioma law firms are dedicated to providing compassionate and supporting legal representation to victims of asbestos exposure. They work tirelessly to understand each client's unique case, gathering evidence of asbestos exposure and establishing a connection between the exposure and the development of mesothelioma. Second point is identifying responsible parties. Mesothelioma law firms conduct through investigation to identify the companies or manufacturers responsible for exposing their clients to asbestos. They work to hold these entities accountable for their negligence, ensuring that justice is served for the victims and their families. Third point is pursuing compensation. Asbestos-related disease often result in substantial medical expenses, loss of income, and emotional distress. Mesothelioma law firms works to secure financial compensation to help their clients cover medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other related costs. Fourth point is handling complex legal procedure. Asbestos litigation can be intricate and lengthy, involving multiple parties, jurisdiction, and even bankrupt companies with asbestos liabilities. Mesothelioma law firms have the expertise and resources to navigate these complexities, ensuring that their clients' cases are well prepared and presented in court. Fifth point is exploring settlement options. In many cases, mesothelioma law firm may negotiate settlements with the defendants outside of court. This can be quicker and less emotionally taxing process for the victims while still ensuring they receive fair compensation. Conclusion: mesothelioma law firm play a vital role in advocating for the rights of individuals and families impacted by asbestos exposure. Their commitment to securing justice and compensation for their clients serves as a beacon of hope for those facing the devastating consequences of this aggressive cancer. By holding negligent companies accountable for their actions, mesothelioma law firm contribute to raising awareness about asbestos-related disease and help prevent future cases of exposure. If you or a loved one has been affected by mesothelioma, seeking the assistance of a reputable mesothelioma law firm can be crucial step in journey to find justice and closure.